Let's talk about the American Express MEMBER Ship REWARDS program. If you have an Amex card that earns MEMBER Ship rewards points, like the Gold Card, Platinum Card, or Everyday Preferred, you're sitting on one of the most flexible travel rewards systems out there. It might look complicated at first, but once you understand how earning and redeeming works, it's actually pretty simple. Every time you spend money on your card, you earn points. The basic rate is usually 1 point per dollar, but many cards offer bonus categories where you earn more. For example, the Amex Gold Card gives you 4 points per dollar at restaurants and U.S. supermarkets, while the Platinum Card gives you 5 points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines. The exact earning rates depend on which card you have, so check your card's benefits to see where you're earning the most. To check your point balance, just open the Amex app or log into your account online. Your MEMBER Ship rewards balance shows up front and center on the dashboard. You can track every transaction, see how many points you earned on each purchase, and start exploring ways to use them. When it comes to redeeming, you've got several options. You can book travel directly through Amex Travel, get gift cards, shop for merchandise, or use points to cover a purchase with a statement credit. But here's the thing, not all redemption options are created equal. Travel booked through Amex Travel typically gives you about 1 cent per point, which is decent. But the real magic happens when you transfer your points to airline and hotel partners. Amex has over 20 transfer partners, and this is where you unlock the best value. You can transfer points one-to-one to programs like Air-O-Plan for Air Canada flights, MAIRE Bon VOY for hotel stays, British AIRWAYS Executive Club, and Delta Sky MILES. A single transfer can get you business class flights that would cost thousands of dollars for just 60 or 70,000 points. That's easily 2 to 3 cents per point in value, sometimes much more. So here's my biggest tip. Never use your points for statement credits. That gets you less than 1 cent per point, which is the worst possible value. Always transfer your points to a travel partner if you can. Even a simple domestic economy flight booked through Air-O-Plan will usually get you more than 1 cent per point. Statement credits are convenient, but they're a total waste. One more thing, if you have multiple Amex cards that earn MEMBER Ship rewards, all your points pool together into one single balance. So you could have a gold card for dining and groceries, a platinum card for flights, an everyday card for everyday spend, and the points all end up in the same bucket. That makes it really easy to combine earning power and then transfer everything to a partner for a big redemption. So that's the basics of using American Express MEMBER Ship rewards. Earn points on your spending, check your balance in the app, and always transfer to travel partners for the best value. It takes a little bit of planning, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be flying around the world on points.